what's up? So in this video you're going to see me blend two of my everyday foundations together, and that is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup in the shades Deep Golden and Cappuccino. So I applied my foundation with my foundation brush for a little more coverage, and then you're going to see me go in with my beauty blender just to blend everything down a little better for more of a flawless finish. So here you see I'm going in with my LA brow pencil, my LA Girl brow pencil. I believe it's called a Shady Slim pencil, in the shade Blackest Brown. And then I've already done my under eye to highlight under my eye with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. And once I get my brows to look the way I want, the shape, the thickness, you know, all of that, I am going to clean it up with the same concealer, the same shade that I used under my eye to highlight, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Fawn. There it is. So now you see me starting to blend it out. I'm blending out the concealer, and next you're gonna see me go in with some setting powder. Yeah, and you just wanna, I put this pretty much everywhere I put concealer. I also went ahead and contoured just a little bit, put a darker concealer, which is the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Espresso, right under my, like right where my cheekbones are. And that's pretty much, yeah, that's the most I do for that. Now I'm just going to continue to blend away all of the concealer. I'm just fixing those harsh lines that were left around my brows. So I don't really care for that, like I don't care for my brows to look too sharp and like have that halo effect around. I don't really care for that. I just like them to look pretty clean, pretty neat, but closer to natural. So, and now I'm attempting to reverse contour here right under where I put that darker concealer under my cheekbones. I'm going in with the setting powder, and I believe I'm using the Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Gobi. And I'm just using my brush, just a fluffy brush, it's not a special brush, to blend away the setting powder. here I'm going in with a primer. I believe it's a Maybelline primer. Yeah, I believe it was just a Maybelline primer, but just went in with that, blended it down, and now I'm going in with my eyeshadow, which again is from the Jackie Aina and ABH eyeshadow palette. So if you made it this far, just watch me work. Just watch the magic that is makeup and blending, because I swear I am nowhere near a makeup artist, but this palette here just made me feel like I could do anything. It's like, hello, do you see this? Do you see it? You see it? Oh my goodness, I don't know why I'm so silly, but I'm so serious at the same time. Okay, and that primer was definitely Maybelline. It's a Master Prime long lasting eyeshadow base. So I blended down that first color. I believe, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I don't remember what that first color was, but I know for a fact that this is Shookington. And I don't even have the palette sitting here in front of me. Like, I just know because this is the prettiest purple I have ever seen in my life. In my life, y'all. And I, for one, like, I've never been a fan of purple, but child, this palette changed my life, changed my outlook on things. And then this is in the shade Big Wig. And at this point, am I using Zam and Trust Issues? Maybe, or maybe Wigglies. I used a bunch of colors this day. This might have been the look where I was trying to follow along with something that I saw. After all, let me see. So if you made it this far, I'm assuming you like this video, so go ahead and throw a like on it. Share with your friends, share your Facebook, share on your Instagram, save it. Leave me a comment, let me know what you did or did not like. I would really appreciate it. I mean, I appreciate you anyways, because if you made it this far, you definitely a real one. So I do want to say thank you so much. Thank you so very much for watching. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thank you. Now, back to regular scheduled programming. Here you see me going in with my highlighter from the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. And then I'm also going to go in with some blush from that same palette. Now you see me with the eyeliner. It's actually Juvia's Place as well. It's the gel liner. And it's the darkest, or I think it's black because it came with 2 in a pack, but it's obviously the darker one. This stuff, listen, I don't want to overhype it, but man, bump it. This stuff is amazing. This stuff is so great. And if you're like me and you can't do like a liquid liner to save your life, like me, listen, it's great. And I'm now just using some Estee Lauder mascara. It was a free gift from Ulta, and I actually love it. I really do. I love it. It's not waterproof or anything. I believe it's just regular mascara. Okay, so now that I'm finishing up and I'm about to apply my setting spray, I am officially finished, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.